How to crop an image to a shape in Microsoft PowerPoint. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can crop any picture you have into a shape in Microsoft PowerPoint. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to do here is select a shape in which you want to put in the picture. Now for that, head over to Insert and then click on Shape. For example, if I want it to be in a circle, I'm just going to go ahead and create a circle here. Now once the circle has been created, you can adjust the size of it. And once you're happy with it, what you can do is simply go ahead and put it over the picture, like so, and see where you want to fit it. And once you're done with it, you can just right click on it and then click on Format Shape. Now from here you go to double click on the picture and Format Picture will appear right here. And from here you can change the transparency of the picture so that it's visible. Then all you have to do is go ahead and click on Crop and then crop the picture. So just click on Crop. Now you can just adjust it to fit it on your circle, like so. Do it on all of your sides. And once that is done, you can click on Crop, and then your picture will be cropped. Now once the picture has been cropped, you can move your circle, and this is the important step. So what you're going to do here is you are going to right click on the picture like this and then cut the picture and then select the shape and then make sure to select picture or text fill like this. And now this is for the background, but you're gonna have to do it for your shape. So click on Format Shape, Picture or Texture Fill, and then from here you can insert the picture from the clipboard like this. Now the picture has been added to the circle, and if you want to add different kind of effects to it, you can do that as well. So as you can see here, you can find different kind of shadows, reflections. So you get to look around here, play with it. And if you want to change shapes, you can do that as well. So to do that, go ahead and click on Shape Format right here on top. And then you can change your shape to anything that you want. So for example, if I want a triangle, you can do that as well. So you can change the shape of the box. So click on Edit Shape, Edit Points, and you can edit the points from here as well. Then you can change this shape if you want. So let's say I'm going to do it on this one right here. So I'm just going to choose this hexagon. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.